Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good afternoon, student. Yes, already we have started the question number 2 of practice set number 2.3. See the question number 2. State which of following answers justify your answers. Okay, क्या करना था? Justify करना था. Now see the question number 3. Classify the given pairs of sets into like sets and unlike sets. Okay, so again yes, see what is the like sets and what is the unlike sets. If in two sets the radicand is same and order is same, then the sets are called as the like sets. And if order is different or radicand is different, then it is called as the unlike sets. So now see the question number 2. Okay, because question number 1 completed yesterday. Question number 2. Question number 2 देखो, under root 68 comma 5 into under root 3. Okay, now yes, in questions, yes, first radicand is 68 and second radicand is 3. Okay, now yes, we have to check out that radicand 68 can be converted into radicand 3 or not, कि 3 में उसको convert कर सकते हैं या नहीं. If 68 is converted into the under root 3, then these two will be like sets, otherwise unlike sets. So let's see the solution of it. अब इसका solution देखना है हम लोगों को. Yes, second one, its solution under root 68. Now yes, find the factor. 17 4 ja 68. Okay, so here 4 is the perfect square, that's why its square root will come out as 2, and 17 is not perfect square number, that's why it will remain as it is. Okay student, now yes, the under root 68 is converted into the 2 under root 17. Now observe the second radicand, yes, second search given in the question number 2, it is 5 into under root 3. Okay, so here 2, okay, under root 17 comma 5 under root 3. Okay, these two under root 17 and comma 5 under root 3 have same order, same order, have the same order. दोनों के जो ऑर्डर्स है वो सेम है, सेम ऑर्डर. but radicands but radicands are different, but radicands are different. तो यहाँ पे ऑर्डर क्या है, दोनों का सेम है, बट रेडिकेंट का क्या है, ये डिफरेंट है. रेडिकेंट इज डिफरेंट बट रेडिकेंट आर different. Therefore, these are unlike set. Therefore, these are unlike search. ओके, क्लियर हो गया कि ये अनलाइक सेट्स है. क्यों अनलाइक सेट्स है? बिकॉज यस रेडिकेंट्स आर डिफरेंट. तो यस द टू सेट्स will be like such when their radicand as well as order will be same. Now see the third one. Third one देखो अभी. Third one क्या है? Yes, 4 under root 18 comma 7 under root 2. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है? 4 under root 18 comma 7 under root 7. इसको हम लोगों को चेकआउट करना है. यस, नेक्स्ट वन क्या है? 19 अंडर रूट 12 एंड 6 अंडर रूट 3. ओके, okay, now let's see the next question. Third one, first, second, third. Okay, now its solution. Its solution. 4 under root 18 is written as 4 9 2s are 18. Okay, now here 9 is the perfect square, that's why its square root will come out as 3, and 2 is not perfect square, remain as it is. So this will become 4 3s are 12, 12 under root 2. Now yes, next one is 7 under root 2. Now you see, yes, this is the 12 into under root 2 and this is the 7 into under root 2. Okay, so here the radicant is 2. दोनों सेट्स में रेडिकेंट क्या है? 2 है. एंड ऑर्डर इज 2. तो हियर ऑर्डर एज वेल एज द रेडिकेंट्स आर सेम, बोथ आर द सेम. दैट्स व्हाई यस दीज टू आर द लाइक सेट्स. तो क्या है ये? क्या लिखेंगे फाइनल आंसर में हम लोग? 12 under root 2 comma 7 under root 2 are like sets. ओके, क्लियर हो गया? ये दोनों लाइक सेट्स है बिकॉज रेडिकेंट एज वेल एज ऑर्डर्स आर सेम. Yes student, is anybody having any problem not understanding the what is the order and what is the radicant? Yes, tell me if you have any doubt. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and ask the question if you have any doubt. Yes student. आबेदीन, अजरा, खुशी, आसिफ, किसी को कोई डाउट्स है क्या? रेडिकेंट क्या है समझ में आ रहा है? यस स्टूडेंट, से यस और नो. स्टूडेंट टेल मी. Yes, is anybody having any doubt? अजरा, खुशी, आसिफ, किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है क्या इसमें कि रेडिकेंट क्या है और ऑर्डर क्या है? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? यस स्टूडेंट, किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है क्या? किसी को कुछ डाउट नहीं है? यस खुशी, टेल मी। आबेदीन, किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है क्या? डाउट नहीं है? रेडिकेंट आपको नहीं समझ में आ? रेडिकेंट्स या ऑर्डर्स कुछ ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? समझ में आ कि रेडिकेंट क्या है, ऑर्डर क्या है? क्या हो गया? Yes, student. Now see the next question. 19 under root 12 comma 6 under root 3. ओके, क्या है नेक्स्ट वन? लेट्स सी इट्स सॉल्यूशन। इसका सॉल्यूशन देखो अभी। 19 अंडर रूट 12। ओके, नाउ यस फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर। अब इसका फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है। तो 19, नाउ दिस 12 कैन बी रिटन एज 4 इंटू 3। उसको किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? 12 इंटू 3 के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज 4 3 इज 12। तो हियर 19 under root 12 is equals to 19 4 into 3. Okay, so here 4 is the perfect square number, that's why 2 will come out from the square root sign. So this will be 38 under root 3, and the next side is 6 under root 3. So here 38 under root 3 comma 6 under root 3 have same order, same order. Okay, same order and same radicand, same radicand. तो therefore these two are the like set. तो ये क्या मिला हम लोगों को? ये लाइक सेट्स है। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट वन, 5 इंटू अंडर रूट 22 कॉमा 7 अंडर रूट 33। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है, 5 अंडर रूट 22 कॉमा 7 अंडर रूट 33। ये जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है। तो नाउ इट्स सॉल्यूशन। सॉल्यूशन 5 under root 22. So when you find out the factor, nothing will come out because 2 into 11 is equals to 22 and 7, and yes, factor of the 33 is 11 into 3, so nothing will come out. So here order of the sets are same but their radicands are different. What is different here? Radicand. So here we have to write down 7 under root 33. The order of radicands, order of set are same but radicands are different. Therefore 5 under root 22 comma 7 under root 33 are unlike set. ओके, इट्स क्लियर नाउ कि ये क्या है अनलाइक सेट से, बिकॉज ऑर्डर क्या है सेम है बट क्या रेडिकेंट डिफरेंट है। तो आउट ऑफ दीज टू इफ एनी वन इज द डिफरेंट देन द रेडिकेंट द सेट्स विल नॉट बी लाइक सेट्स। नाउ सी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। 5 अंडर रूट 5 क्या है इस लास्ट वन का, 5 इंटू अंडर रूट 5। नेक्स्ट वन क्या है उसका, yes, under root 75. So now yes, find out the factor of it. So 25 5s are 25 3s are 75. So now here 25 is the perfect square number, so 5 will come out and yes 3 will remain as it is. Now yes, observe, yes here radicands are different, orders are same but radicands are different, that's why they are not like sets. Okay, the orders are same, but radicands are different, but radicands are different, therefore okay 5, these are unlike sets, therefore these are unlike set. Okay, completed. Now see the question number 4. Simplify the following sets. Now here simplify means we have to write down into the yes simplest form. उसको simplest form में लिखना means whatever possible to bring it outside of the radical sign. जो भी possible है उसको क्या करना है हम लोगों को radical sign के बाहर लाना है। ओके, ये क्लियर हो गया। अब देखो कि रेडिकल साइन से बाहर कैसे आएगा वो। फर्स्ट वन क्या है, अंडर रूट 27 सिंप्लीफाई करना है। तो देखो यहाँ पे ये अंडर रूट 27 है, So now here we have to find out the factor of the 27, and we have to find out the स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ इट, उसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है हम लोगों को. So let's see the solution of first question of question number 4. First one, its solution under root 27. So this is equals to, now find out the factor of the 27. So 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So here order is 2. So here we will take out the 1 3 from the pair of the 3. So 3 will come out and this will remain as 3 into under root 3. Okay, so this is the simple form. Now here what is asked, simplify the following sets. Okay, so here this is the simple form. Means हम लोग ने क्या किया, yes, now the outside of the radical sign there is a 3. 3 is a rational number and yes under root 3 this is irrational number. So overall 3 under root 3 is a irrational number and it is sets, और ये क्या है, एक sets है. Okay, now see the solution of the next one. अब नेक्स्ट वन का सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे हम लोग. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वन, अंडर रूट 50. क्या है ये, अंडर रूट 50 है नेक्स्ट वन. तो नाउ ये सी आर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द सेकेंड. सेकेंड का क्या है सॉल्यूशन, अंडर रूट 50. तो नाउ ये सी आर फैक्टराइज द 50. तो दिस विल गिव यू 25 into 2. Okay, student. Now yes, 25 into 2. So here 5 will come out. 5 and under root 2. So this is the simple form of the under root 50. Okay, now you see the next one, under root 250. Okay, next one क्या है, under root 250. Now see its solution. 250. So this is equals to, now find out the factor of it. Is 25 10 ja 25 10 ja 250. Okay, so here yes 5 will come out because 25 is the perfect square of the 5. So that's why 5 came out, and yes 10 will remain in radical sign. Now next one, see the solution of the next problem. 112. Okay, square root of 112. This is the fourth one. ये fourth one है under root 112. So this is equals to, so here you have to find out the factors. 112. So this can be written as 2 into 64. Sorry. Okay, now just find out the factor. Okay, so yes 112. Okay, now yes I am writing its factor 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 14s are 28, 2 7s are 14. So here we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 to 7. So here there are the two pairs of the 2. So yes, from each pair 1 2 will come out. So this is the simple form of it. Now see the last question of it. Last question देखो. बोलो लेने के लिए start. See the last question. Square root of 168. Square root of 168. So this is equals to. Now find out the factors. Okay. 168. This is divisible by 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Now yes, again divide by the 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8. Okay. Again divide by the 2. So this is the 22. Again divide by the 2, 11. Okay. So the factor of the 168 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Okay. So here there are the two pairs of the 2. So that's why from each pair 2 will come out. So now yes, 2 2s are 4. 4 under root 11. This is the simple form of the अंडर रूट 168. इट्स क्लियर नाउ? समझ में आ गया स्टूडेंट? यस, नाउ अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ एंड आस्क द डाउट्स इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. यस स्टूडेंट, किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है? नाउ यस, क्लियर योर डाउट इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. अबेदीन, माजिद, को डाउट्स है क्या आप लोगों को? किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है स्टूडेंट? ओके, यस, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग द मीटिंग.